Ladies and gentlemen, it's a Monday afternoon. It's a warm day here in New York City, and stocks are off to a hot start to start off the new week. And talk about hot starts. How about that 21-year-old Justin Spieth at the U.S. Open yesterday? We'll touch on that in a little bit. But right now, it's about that time. The markets, they're about to close right behind me. The traders, they want to go home. They want to leave. And it's also time for us to go out and have ourselves a drink to celebrate a smooth start to the week. So go get it, because it's officially a happy hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks in full rally mode this Monday afternoon as investors remain optimistic on a deal between Greece and its creditors. Now, the Euro group of Eurozone finance ministers concluding a meeting in Brussels today and will also meet again later in the week regarding the Greek debt crisis. In addition, over the weekend, Greece's Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras showing new willingness to make concessions that would unlock aid needed to avoid a default for the nation. Greece still facing a €1.5 billion payment to the International Monetary Fund due at the end of this month. Meanwhile, in economic news here in the U.S., existing home sales figures jumping 5.1% in May. That's a 5.5-year high. Now, you team that with the U.S. dollar trading flat, crude oil futures down 21 cents, and we also have gold futures down about $16. Then you have yourself a session. We're about 2 stocks advanced for every decliner right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this, the first trading session of the week. And in corporate news, Sequential Brands making some headlines today after announcing that it will buy Martha Stewart Living for $6.15 a share in both cash as well as stock. And with that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. You need more corporate news? Check out the earlier report done by yours truly for the modernwallstreet.com market movers. And let's touch on this really quickly. Yesterday, the U.S. Open, Johnson, Spieth, beautiful. It's beautiful seeing a 21-year-old American win the U.S. Open. He won the Masters. Now the next question is, will he win the British Open? By the way, I'm going to be there. That's right. And with that stated, for modernwallstreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.